HomeSource Systems is a software solutions provider focused on making software for large ticket retailers both smarter and easier.
The HomeSource platform will enable you to be able to see all of your daily transactions and everything you need to do to run your business all through one single pane of glass.
We first started seeing paper catalogs disappear from retailer storefronts, and the retailers were being forced by the manufacturers to start to go to different websites with all different structures, so finding any information in order to facilitate a sale became harder. With a tool like RPS that could take all of the product information, put it in one screen, whether it be product specs, additional product features, documents, videos, competitive pricing, rebate, anything you can think of when it comes to how to facilitate a sale, we realized we could really help the retailers succeed.
Honestly, RPS is incredibly easy to use when it comes to stock checking, or, one of our biggest things is price checking. So to be able to instantaneously look at not only stock to say, hey, we have this, big box stores maybe not have this, versus their pricing, to be able to know, hey, somebody's trying to say, well, it's at X price, and we can pull it up right there and say, nope, this is exactly what we have it. It makes so we're not losing any type of margin.
It's all too common for retailers to have multiple systems throughout their store. One to handle their price tags, one their website, one to handle their inventory and their point of sale, and then another system entirely to talk to their buying group. We saw a need for RPS to evolve and actually take all those disconnected systems and put them into one pane of glass.
So we're on the RPS system, I believe, 3 years. We were on a different system when we came on board. The RPS system made sense, especially with the future integration into our POS system. So that was really important to us. We also use a digital tag system in the store here. So for us to really manage our floor from a merchandising and a marketing basis, it's just, again, one system that works for all.
Through the years, we've noticed that different systems provided different functionality, but there has not been a system that has brought all of the different key elements together, be it inventory, model information, pricing, point of sale data, digital tag data. All of those things were different siloed or disconnected platforms. We were able to bring that all into one platform through one screen. That enabled us to be able to speed up the learning curve for your sales associates and your back office people. Them not having to go to 5 or 6 or 7 disconnected systems is what empowered them to be able to create better decisions.
The HomeSource program really maximizes my potential. It actually allows me to see with one click what my top sellers are, not only my top sellers, but where I can improve and make more of a profit, and steer my customers to a better product, as well as steering my sales team to make sure the customer gets a better product. The point of sale system is extremely easy. When you're inputting a sale, when you're checking inventory, very seamless, not clumsy at all. And it gets to the point where after you're done writing a sale, you actually say to yourself, am I done? Is this all I have to do? So it's very user-friendly.
So at HomeSource, one of the challenges with print advertising and its evolution now into a digital world has become the fact that the pricing is ever changing and changing very rapidly. When you would traditionally print an advertisement, you were set with the pricing, with the availability, with the model numbers that you were going to use. In the digital world, we can change that at the drop of a hat.
At Collectors, the traditional advertising method was print media. We looked at direct mail, advertisements in local and regional newspapers. We've used, for upscale advertising, we've used magazines. But let's face it, today, based on the people that you need to reach, the consumers that you need to reach, they're all different methods, and age groups have their own way of getting the information that they want.
Digital advertising is where marketing has started to move to, and retailers need to keep up with it.
When we moved to digital, it gave me the ability to actually look at and see how different campaigns worked and didn't work, and we were able to develop our own program without depending upon other people's artificial numbers.
I mean, really at the end of the day though, what makes HomeSource different than everybody else is that we take technology and make people's lives simpler. I mean, that's really what we're doing.